This was revealed by Chief Medical Officer Dr. Shamdeo Prasad, who delivered the Public Health Ministry daily COVID-19 update today.
Of the 78 tests that were done, there are 3 new cases today, bringing the total number of cases to 209. 107 persons have recovered, and the number of deaths remain at 12. In institutional isolation, we now have 90 active cases. In institutional quarantine, we have 16, and 1 patient is in the COVID ICU.
Currently, 8 of Guyana's 10 administrative regions have recorded coronavirus cases. While Region 4 continues to be the epicenter of the outbreak in the country, the situation in the Region 1 sub-district of Moruca has health authorities concerned.
Moruca is the epicenter for the region. It is therefore important that all residents of Moruca be on guard and take all the necessary precautions to prevent the further spread of this infection. We are urging you to support the health team in this area by coming forward for testing if you have been in contact with anyone who has tested positive, by staying home unless it is necessary for you to come out, and if you must come out, ensure that your nose and mouth are covered.
Meanwhile, as Guyana continues to battle against COVID-19, authorities have opened up the airports to allow the repatriation of Guyanese who were stranded overseas as a result of the pandemic. However, while those persons who have returned are expected to self-quarantine for 1 week, the CMO is lamenting their non-cooperation.
This irresponsible and selfish act is putting your life and the lives of our citizens at risk and placing undue pressure on our health workers and health system. I therefore wish to remind you that the stipulated quarantine that you have signed on to in your effort to return home is important and is for your protection. It is disappointing to learn that when health officials try to follow up with you, either you're not at home or they're unable to contact you because the information you provide is inaccurate and you are not at the stipulated location. You are deliberately defying the terms of your repatriation and making it difficult for those who are still waiting to repatriate.
2 repatriation flights are expected from the U.S. next week, one from Miami on Wednesday, July 1st, and the other the following day from New York. Reporting for the Evening News, I'm Luanda McAllister.